Hey everyone, welcome back to Decoding Studio, and today we are going to discuss about React Native developer salary in India. As you know, React Native became the most popular mobile application development framework, and one of the major reasons behind its popularity is Facebook as well, because React Native is developed and managed by Facebook. So in this video, we will see how much salary a React Native developer can earn in different major cities of India. Before moving forward, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button now and like this video as well. Let's get started now. To be a React Native developer is not an easy job. In fact, being a React Native developer, you have to face a lot of challenges, and React Native development is a little complicated as compared to native Android and iOS development. Why? I'll show you. Here are some stuff that you have to learn in order to become a React Native developer. I'm not going to explain React Native developer roadmap here, but I'll give you an overview of this. So first is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language used in React Native, and all the business logic is written using JavaScript. React.js, so you should have some strong knowledge of React.js as well. And to become a React Native developer, you should be familiar with component lifecycles, React hooks, and other features of React.js. Being a native developer, you should only care about one platform at a time. If you are Android native developer, then you have to deal with Android stuff, and if you are an iOS native developer, then you have to deal with iOS stuff only. But being a React Native developer, you should have some knowledge of Android and iOS native development as well, including Android and iOS native configuration with libraries, the packages you have used inside a React Native, knowledge of Xcode and Android Studio, deploying build on Google Play Store and App Store. So that's why I was saying that the life of a React Native developer is not that much easy. But after having that much knowledge, you can have a very handsome salary as a React Native developer. Salary of a React Native developer is based on certain things. It depends on which city you are working or looking to work, because in India salaries are varied in different cities for the same roles. We are going to discuss this in next part of video as well. Your education and background experience also matters. Mostly in India, companies are looking for a bachelor degree for this role. For example, BTech, BCA, and etc. Work portfolio. They will check your apps should live on Google Play Store and App Store, and during interview they might check those apps are actually working or not. Your tech skills, definitely they will check your tech skills and how logical you are sound, and based on that your salary will vary. Communication skills. Being a React Native developer, your communication skills should be good, as you have to communicate with project managers and clients. So if your skills are good, then definitely it's going to make a positive impact on your salary. Finally, now we are going to discuss the main topic of this video. Yes, React Native developer salary in India. To discuss React Native developer salary, I have divided India into three major cities: Chandigarh, Delhi, and Bangalore. Nearest cities of these major cities have approximately the same salary packages. For example, if you're working in a Panchkula or Mohali, then you can consider it in Chandigarh. Same if you work in Noida or Gurgaon, then it will come under the Delhi salary range. And if you are working in Pune or somewhere in Hyderabad or Maharashtra, then you can consider your salary packages as a Bangalore salary packages. And here I have also divided React Native developer in three different roles for better understanding: junior React Native developer, mid-level React Native developer, and senior React Native developer. So I'm not going to discuss these roles in detail today, but definitely I'll make a detailed video on this very soon. So let's get started now. Firstly, we will talk about junior React Native developer salary. Being a junior React Native developer, you should have around 6 months to 1 year of experience in React Native. You can include your 6-month training as well. And you should have some basic knowledge of JS, React.js, and React Native. A junior React Native developer can earn around 10,000 to 25,000 in Chandigarh. But again, it will depend upon factors that we have discussed previously in this video, including your work experience, tech skills, and your communication skills. And next, if we talk about Delhi, so Delhi is slightly better in terms of salary. Here in Delhi, as a junior React Native developer, you can earn from 15,000 up to 35,000 per month. And last but not the least, if we talk about Bangalore, Bangalore is the highest paid city in India. Here you can earn around 20,000 to 50,000 as a junior React Native developer. But again, it depends upon in which company you are working or how technically strong you are. Now we will talk about mid-level React Native developer salary in India. So being a mid-level React Native developer, you should have good knowledge of JS, JavaScript, React.js and React Native, and you must have 1 to 2 years of relevant experience in React Native development. And most importantly, you should be able to deploy Android and iOS build on Google Play Store and App Store individually. If we talk about Chandigarh, so as a mid-level React Native developer, you will get around 25,000 to 65,000 salary per month in Chandigarh. And if we talk about Delhi, so your salary can start from 35,000 to 85,000 as a mid-level React Native developer. And again, this salary is based on your skills and your past experience. If we talk about Bangalore, your salary as a mid-level React Native developer will be high here as compared to Chandigarh and Delhi. You can earn a 45,000 starting salary, and it could be increased up to 100,000 if you get selected in a big multinational company in Bangalore. So that's all about a mid-level React Native developer salary. Now we will talk about senior React Native developer salary in India. So being a senior React Native developer, you should have a very good knowledge of JS, React.js and React Native, and your communication skills should be good, and you should able to write unit test cases, you follow TDD and test driven development, and you should know about build automation process using App Center or Fastlane or maybe Bitrise. So if you have these knowledge, then you are a senior React Native developer, and definitely you are going to have a very good salary in all the cities of India. So if we talk about Chandigarh, in Chandigarh you will get starting 65,000 to 100,000 as a senior React Native developer. Again, it's very on your communication skills and other things. If we talk about Delhi, in Delhi you can simply earn around 85,000 up to maybe 1 lakh, 1.5 or 2 lakh. So it's all depend upon the company you are working and your skills and how you manage your work. And again, if we talk about Bangalore, if you have a capability of a senior React Native developer, then your salary will be started from 100,000, and it will be up to around 2 lakh or maybe 2.5 lakh or 3 lakh. So this is all about React Native developer salary if you're working for an organization or a company. Freelancer React Native mobile app developer. So if you are a senior React Native developer and capable to handle all Android and iOS configuration and deployment by yourself, then you can think about freelancer. You can work as a freelancer as well, individual for a client or someone. But if you are a junior React Native developer, then I will recommend you to work in an organization or in a company or with a team, because you need help from senior developers who can help you to fix issues and other things. So being a React Native developer, you can work as a freelancer, but if you have enough experience with React Native. So as compared to USA, UK, or Australia, or other European countries, Indian freelancer developer salary is very low. In USA, you can easily earn around $60 to $70 per hour. But if we talk about India, in India, we can earn around $20 to $35 per hour. So if we talk about Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh, here you can earn around $8 to $20 per hour as a freelancer. Definitely you are going to earn a lot of money as a freelancer, but if you are a mid-level or junior React Native developer, then I would like to recommend you to work as a in a team or with a company, so your senior can help you and you can learn from them. So this is all about today's video, where we have discussed React Native developer salary as a company, if you're working for a company, or as a if you're working as a freelancer. So if you haven't liked this video, please like it, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, please hit the subscribe button now. Thank you.